everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into Quizlet with Facebook. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web videos and tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how you can log into Quizlet with Facebook. Quizlet is an application where you can practice and learn anything about the informations and knowledge that you choose. So if you want to log into Quizlet for the study with login to Facebook, then watch this video till the end and learn how to log in with Facebook on Quizlet. You can download the Quizlet app from Play Store freely. Now tap open the Quizlet application. Also remember to be logged into your Facebook account. So you can see at the bottom there are sign up and login option. So tap on the login. Here you can see to log in with various options. Go for Facebook. Now Quizlet will ask permission to access to your Facebook profile information. So if this is your Facebook username, then tap on the continue as username button. Now Quizlet will take your profile pictures and information of your name, email address from Facebook and help in creating account here in Quizlet. So here you can see your username from Facebook has been taken for the Quizlet account. You can go to your profile button here and see your profile picture is also accessed from Facebook. You also have your email address taken from your Facebook. In this way, your Quizlet account is created in very easy way. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to log into your Quizlet with Facebook. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, you can mention them below.